Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. This is Asad Yaqub. Sometimes when you get your IELTS result on a fine Friday morning, if you appear in IELTS test on Saturday, you get your result on Friday, like after 10 working days. And when you open the envelope and check your results, you are happy to see your result in 3 modules, but the result in 1 module literally disappoints you. And after that, you are frustrated. Half band, less than your desired band is a tragedy. It's a great tragedy in IELTS, because next time when you appear again, where you got your desired band, there you get less band, and the other module where you got less band, you get more band, and then you know the whole thing actually continues. In Punjabi they say, "Truck di batti magar thwanu la dende ne." Okay, anyways, a student of mine from Africa, as you guys watch my videos in Africa, if you are from Africa, hello from Asad Yaqub, don't forget to comment this video, okay? One day I'm going to visit Africa, okay? Yes, I like Africa very much, and I receive several messages from Africa. So if you're from Africa, comment the name of your country, African country, and I would love to see your comments here. Anyways, this student of mine achieved good band score in listening, that was 7. Reading 7, writing band score 6.5, but the speaking band score was 6.5 as well. Now he was confident that okay, 6.5 in speaking, it should have been more, right? So then he decided to go for EOR. You know, 6.5 is good band score, but sometimes you say, why 6.5? Why not 7 or 8? Because my English is quite good. Sometimes you know that, okay? So he decided to go for EOR, but he went for EOR only on 1 module where he was doubtful. Whether you apply EOR on 1 module or all 4 modules, fee is same. You'll be surprised to learn that, is there any fee of EOR? Yes, there is fee of EOR, and the fee is same. And they return your fee if the band score increases, but if there is no change in the band score, your money is gone. Exactly, forever. So this student applied EOR with the 6.5 band score in speaking, and after, when the result came out, we call it outcome of EOR, it was successful. Whenever they say outcome of EOR successful, successful means band score has changed, and they only increase the band. They will never decrease your band in EOR, so don't be afraid that my band score will decrease. No, there are only 2 possibilities. One remains unchanged. Second, the band score increases. So his band score increases from 6.5 to 7.5. Now, one Cambridge IELTS examiner gave him 6.5 and senior examiner gave 7.5. So this difference of 1 band means your writing and speaking band scores depend on the examiners. If the examiner is senior and examiner is expert, experienced, you are likely to get better band score. And if there is some new examiner or the new recruit, then you're likely to get low band score. But this 1 band difference is quite alarming. Cambridge IELTS should actually look into all these EOR cases. Now, what about those who do not apply for EOR? I mean, you know, for EOR, there is hefty amount. You got to pay the fee. So what about those who do not apply for EOR and they give up all their hopes and they give in and they don't go to a foreign country just because of this thing, right? If they open all cases, I think in the last 10 years, people who appear in IELTS tests with low band score, there would be many cases where the band score could increase, but people did not apply for EOR. So I think they should check and recheck their result before they finally announce the result. All the best, guys. I also teach IELTS online all over the world and on campus in Lahore. If you wish to be the part of my online or on-campus IELTS classes, my WhatsApp number is given. You can contact me for that. Asad Yaqub truly wishes you all the best. Take care. Allah Hafiz.